Hey guys, thanks for stopping by my channel. Today I'm going to show you some of these special tools I got from Royal Enfield. These tools can be used on the Interceptor 650 or the Continental GT, and if you're working on the engine of your bike, depending on what you're doing, you might need one of these special tools to get the job done. The reason I got these tools is because I'm about to put a new cam, high compression pistons, and connecting rods in the engine of my bike. Also, I want to be able to work on this bike completely by myself. Even if you're just putting a cam in the engine of your bike, Royal Enfield makes a special tool that will help you with the setup of that cam. So this is the valve spring compressor, and it's part number ST-27528-2. If you ever need to replace or upgrade the valves on your Interceptor 650, you're definitely going to need one of these. The part number for this tool is ST-27534-2. And this tool is actually two tools in one. On one side you've got the Magneto rotor holder, and on the other side you've got the front drive sprocket holder. So if you ever needed to change the Magneto, or you wanted to change the number of teeth on the front drive sprocket, this is the tool you want to use. The next thing I got is the crank gears locking tool, and the part number for this is ST-27533-2. If you're breaking the motor down and you don't want the crank to turn, you're going to need this tool right here. This next tool is the Magneto Puller, and it's part number ST-30274/A. And again, if you need to replace the Magneto, or you need to remove the Magneto to break the engine down further, this is what you're going to need right here. This right here is the Tappet adjustment tool, and the part number for this is ST-27527-2. So you can take this center part out, and this will go over the locking nut on the Tappet, and you can put a screwdriver through the center to make your adjustments. This is a clutch holder, and the part number is ST-30266/A. So if you ever need to replace the clutch or upgrade the clutch, you're going to need this tool right here. The last tool I got is a top dead center aligning plate for the cam, and it's part number ST-30260/A. You don't necessarily have to have this tool, but if you're changing the cam on your bike, this is going to help you find the top dead center cam alignment. Before I go, I just wanted to say sorry for not putting out a video last week. I just didn't have the time. I'm working 60 hours a week lately, and I just enrolled in HVAC school. So I work during the day and I go to school at night Monday through Friday. And I'm going to keep doing YouTube on the weekends. I was going to finish the YSS fork upgrade kit today, but it's 30 degrees outside and oil just doesn't flow well at that temperature. So I'll get it done later this week, and the engine mods are going to start pretty soon too. I'm just waiting on a gasket kit for the engine and piston ring compressors. I've got a new project to start once I'm done building the bike, and it's going to take some time, but I'm excited. What I want to do is I'm going to take the bed off my Ram 3500 and I'm going to build a flatbed, but I want to create a hydraulic system that will pick the bike up and set it on the truck. Then I can drive around, look for trails and other spots to ride, set the bike down, take a cruise, then get the bike back up on the truck and drive home. I'm going to build it all myself, so I'll show you that when I do, and it's going to be a ways down the road, but I'm already working on the design. Well, that's all I've got for today, guys. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, go ahead, click subscribe, and stay up to date with my latest videos. Well, thanks again, and have a wonderful day.